Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to see my upcoming new tutorials, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is the 5th episode to create photography website using Flexbox. In the previous episode, we worked on the image gallery section. Today, we'll work on this latest post. So first, open your index.html and main.css. After this gallery block, add a comment called latest post block. Then add a section with a class called latest post block. We will be reusing the CSS properties for border and padding, so add the block class name as well. Then add div with a class called container. Then we got a title called latest post, so copy this one and paste them under the S2 tag. Refresh the site now and our title is ready. Now let's work on this post. The design is similar to this gallery block, so let's reuse div class row and div class col. So first let's add div class row, div class col, and inside this div class col we have to add this image and the title. Copy this title and first add a div with a class called image. For the image tag, use img tag. All my images is under images folder and my image is img10.jpg. In alt, let's write img10. Then in S3 tag, you can paste the title. Then let's work on this content. First, copy this short content and add a div with a class called content. Add p tag and paste the short content. Our content has got light color, so add a class called light so that we can add CSS later. Then you can copy this long content and paste them under p tag. For the link, just add anchor tag. You can also add a class called link. We will style them in the future. And the text is more. Now refresh the site and you can see the HTML for single post. Now let's copy this col div 2 more times. Then change the second image. Copy the title. Copy the short content. And the long content. Likewise, you can copy the title for the third post, change the image, you can paste the title that you have copied, copy the short description, and copy the long description. Once done, you can refresh the site and our HTML is ready. Now let's work on the CSS. So first, let's add this gray background. In main.css, you can begin with adding a comment called latest post block. Then add the background in this class called latest post block. The background will be FA, FA, FA. Once done, you can refresh the site and you should see a gray background over here. Now in the design, we got this title over this image. To do that, in S3 tag, we have to add position absolute. So let's do them. You can add position absolute. Let's add bottom 0 since the position of title is at the bottom. To make 100% weight, add left 0 and right 0. The color is white, so let's add white color over here and add background with opacity. So let's use RGBA. The code for black color is 000 and the opacity is 0.6. Then let's add padding 15px and font size 20px. Whenever we use position absolute, in parent element we have to use position relative. In this case, our parent element is image. So in this image class name, let's add position relative. Now refresh the site and our title is over the image. Now let's add this border radius in the image. So apply border radius 5px, 5px, 0 and 0. Refresh and we still can't see the border radius, so apply overflow hidden. And now we can see border radius. Great. Now let's style this content div. We might need to add things like background, border, padding, and so on. So first, let's apply the background of white. Then add border 1px solid E6, E6, E6. We don't need border top, so you can apply border top 0. Padding 15px and border radius 0, 0, 5px and 5px. Refresh the site and we can see some style in this content div. Now let's apply this style in sort content, which is our light class name. Apply the color of 999. Refresh the site and we can now see light color in this sort content. Then for the p tag, let's apply margin bottom. So apply margin 00, 20px. Refresh the site and now we can also see the margin bottom in this sort content. So in this light class name, just apply margin 0. Refresh and now it is looking exactly the same. Now finally, let's style this link. So first, let's remove the underline. So we can use text decoration none. To make everything capital, let's apply text transform uppercase and let's apply some blue color. Let's also add the hover state, and over here let's apply some dark color. Once done, you can refresh the site and now If you compare it to our design, it is looking exactly the same. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on the footer. Feel free to comment below if you have any question. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. If you want some hosting companies, you can check the link in the description below. Thank you and see you soon.